Costa table. The Costa line is the cleanest and most contemporary collection at Fermob. The Costa low table has great proportion. Ideal with a Bellevue sofa and armchair, or simply with a set of 460s. You can also combine the spacious low table with the Costa armchair to give you outdoor patio that elegant modern appeal. The table is lightweight, very easy to move. It is made of 100% aluminium with high protection metal coating that is weather resistant and features anti-corrosion treatment. This is my ideal item of the perfect patio. One of our long-time favorite. Try it.